Well, if you liked this weekend's forecast, well, then you'll love today's, although we'll be a few degrees cooler. If you have the pleasure from working from home, go ahead and go on the porch and work outside. It's going to be beautiful. By the late afternoon hours, we'll be in the mid 80s. That's going to be our high temperature today. Going into 5 p.m., we'll start to dip back into the low 80s. By later tonight, we'll be in those low 70s. So definitely going to be comfortable all across the Tennessee Valley. And temperatures are going to continue to drop as we head into the rest of the work week. Tomorrow, likely to be the warmest day of the week, sitting at 87 degrees. Then we'll start to dip in temperatures. By Friday and Saturday, we could be in those low 80s. So definitely feeling more like fall as we head into the weekend. We're also going to be taking a break from the humidity. Right now, we're seeing an influx in moisture, which is making us feel a little bit warmer outside and making us feel a lot like summer. We're going to continue to see that moisture heading into Wednesday morning, but by Thursday, this is when we start to see a lot more dry air. That's going to make us feel more comfortable and not a lot of humidity in the air. And that's expected to stick around as we head into the rest of the weekend, so definitely going to be one to make sure you make some outdoor plans. Our rain chances for the next 5 days, again, going to be slim to none, so muddy paws is not going to be something you have to worry about over the next couple of days, which I'm grateful for because of all the rain that we saw last week. I definitely had some muddy paws across my house. So again, I'm going to be seeing little to no rain chances over the next couple of days. The rain we do see will be in the afternoon, so we'll stay clear heading into the lunchtime hours. By 4 p.m. today, we could see some spotty showers. Not expecting any heavy rainfall or widespread rain at all. Heading into overnight, we'll stay dry and will remain that way heading into your Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, we're still staying clear. We'll have a good mix of sun and clouds. By tomorrow night, we could see some rain come into the Tennessee Valley, but again, most of us staying dry, and that's going to be a case going into Wednesday morning as well. Let's take a quick look at the tropics. Hurricane Humberto spinning at 145 miles an hour, still maintaining its Category 4 strength. Good news is, though, it's steering off towards the Atlantic, not going to be affecting anyone but the fish. Just off to the west is Tropical Storm Imelda. It's sitting at tropical storm status. By tomorrow, though, we could see it upgrade to a Category 1. This is spinning at 60 miles an hour, moving due north at 9 miles an hour, but it's expected to make that eastward curve. Not going to be making landfall in the United States thanks to the impacts of Hurricane Humberto, but the East Coast could see some indirect impacts like heavy rainfall, gusty winds, as well as dangerous surf and rip currents. Right now, though, in the Tennessee Valley, staying comfortable, sitting in those low 80s with a good mix of sun and clouds, not seeing any rain in the forecast right now. We'll continue that way as we head throughout the afternoon hours. So if you have any afternoon after-school activities, you'll have to dodge a little bit of rain heading into the late afternoon hours, but temperatures will be comfortable sitting in those mid to low 80s. Again, we'll be warm for the first half of the work week. We'll have a chance to see an isolated shower or two. Heading into the rest of the work week, by Thursday, we'll drop into the low 80s. Eventually, by the weekend, trending a lot drier. Overnight lows will be in the upper 50s, so a little bit cooler. Waking up in the morning, may need to grab that jacket, but going to be sitting in the low 80s as we head into next week as well.